Hello and welcome to Coding at 14. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube video downloader using Python. So let's go ahead and make it. Open up your code editor and go its terminal and type pip install pytube and press enter key to install it. Now we have the necessary library installed. Let's start coding. First, we need to import the pytube library. Now we need to get the URL of the video we want to download. We'll use the input function to get the URL from the user. Now we have the URL. We can use the pytube library to download the video. We'll need to get some information about the video, such as its title and length, before we download it. We'll use the print function to display this information to the user. After writing the code for printing the title, total number of views, length, and rating. Finally, we'll use the download function to actually download the video. Now watch the video very carefully, because it's the most important part.
ये देख, ये वाली उंगली इधर कर दूं?
भैया कैसे किया प्लीज बता दो।
ये देख।
And there you have it, a basic YouTube video downloader using Python. Of course, there are many more things you can do with this downloader, but this is a good starting point. Thanks for watching. We will meet again soon with more interesting project using Python. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tutorials.